Do you want to change variables in the inspector? When you declare a variable, if you do it with the export attribute, the variable will appear in the inspector so you can change it without having to modify the script. If this is the first time, you need to build it. When you add a script to a node, the variable value will be the one assigned in the script. This means the default value. If you change the value in the inspector, this new value will replace the one in the script, but without altering the script, only in the scene where the script is in Godot. If the script is in a scene and you place that scene inside another, in this case the player containing the script inside level 1, and you change the player's value in the level 1 scene, the value will be changed again. This means that the value in the highest hierarchy position will prevail over the settings below. When you press reset, the value will always be replaced by the one immediately below in the hierarchy, and if you want to go back to the default value, you will have to reset all the variables up to the beginning. But the export has not just the basic functionality of exposing variables in the inspector. There are more variations of export that allows you to do more things, such as grouping and categorizing variables, restricting the types of data to use, controlling the limits of values, naming predefined values, among many other options. On the Godot documentation site, search for C# exported properties and you can check all the possibilities. These attributes allows you to fine-tune the details of your game directly in the inspector, in an organized and accessible way without having to edit the scripts. It is ideal for variables that you want to have on hand and need to adjust frequently, for testing, fine-tuning, and other team members without having to master C# can configure the details of the game when building levels or characters, for example. Like the video and subscribe the channel to keep updated on the new content.